friends, I am Dr. Parul Shah, gynecologist from Subhanpura, Gujarat, Baroda, and I am a laparoscopic surgeon and working since 30 years. I am very much fond of cooking. My two sons, they are MD physician, cardiologist, my daughter-in-law anesthetist. We all family, whenever we go to other places, we used to taste local dishes and we are very much fond of these things. And I love traveling. Now in monsoon seasons, I'll show you green veggies recipe. I'll show you something different. Let's start. I'll show you hara kebab. Main ingredients are blanched palak, sprouts, moong sprouts, coriander leaves, and paneer. These are the main ingredients. And seasoning includes jeeru, chaat masala, amchur powder, black pepper, salt, curry, green chilies, and mint leaves. And these are breadcrumbs if you need at all. I have done mixing palak and sprouts. I did parboil and then I have crushed it and I make this type of paste. Now I will add paneer. Then mint leaves, 2 teaspoons mint leaves, green chilies to taste, green corianders. I love this green coriander in each and every item. This is roasted jeera, 1 teaspoon. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon. Amchur powder, almost 1.5 teaspoon. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. I add 3 teaspoons, small teaspoons. This is chaat masala, 1.5 teaspoon chaat masala. That's done. Now I'll mix it properly. When you mix palak and sprouts, don't add water, otherwise it will be watery. Now I will add little bit breadcrumbs. You know how to make breadcrumbs? Stale bread, take it, keep it in the OTG for 2 to 3 minutes and it will dry and crush it in the blender. Then you keep it in your freeze dabba and that will make your breadcrumbs and it will be using. You can use it in any cutlets or tikkis or anything. I will make round tikkis and then I will keep it in OTG, oven, for 15 minutes. Or you can use non-stick tawa for this. And without oil, you can do it. This is diet food. No oil, nothing can be used. Now by the time it will bake, I will show you how to make Italian salads. Parmesan cheese also. And if you are more cheese lovers, you can use this one also. This will give more taste to salad. To kids, this more cheese, they love it. So you can add more cheese also. Thank you. With this amazing appetizer and Italian salad, I'll show you one cool lemongrass glow cooler. For that we need 15 strings of lemongrass, mint leaves, half lemon and 6 teaspoonful of sugar and few cubes of ice. And I'll churn all these things in a blender and then strain it, and then it will make this amazing cooler. You can garnish it with lemon, orange or some mint leaves. And now take it and have a sip. Thank you. Now this is the final outcome of hara bhara kebab. I've decorated with microgreens, and you can have it with green chutney and tomato ketchup or some mayonnaise dip or hunker dip, anything. So now eat it and enjoy it. Thank you.